All right, we're gonna do this 1987 Topps wax pack. And again, this is, this is a year before the junk wax era. Supposedly the junk wax era started in 88. And if you notice, 17 cards. I happen to notice starting in 88, 89, 90, you only get 15 cards. I thought that was interesting. Let's get into this wax pack. We got some stain on the back there. Doesn't look like a good player. And it looks like it's miscut too. We've got the gum. What the hell? Oh, that's crunchy and stale. And yeah, that pretty much turns into powder. Definitely can't make a habit of that. Ooh, what's that? 1987. What did I say the other day to the wife? Roughly 40-year-old gum. I have to do the math again. Anyways, Dave LaPointe. Wow. Braves leaders, not sure who that is. Harold Reynolds. Very nice. Donnie Baseball. All-Star. Oh, twofer. Kirby Puckett All-Star. Rest in peace, Kirby. What a great player he was. Had some sort of eye disease. And he passed away. I'm not sure if it was because of the eye disease or what, but I think at one point he just couldn't see anymore. It's a sad story. Anyways, Wallace Johnson, Gorman Thomas, rookie of Andre Thomas. Although it looks like it wasn't his rookie year. So that's interesting. Gene Walter. Got our Spring Fever, won a trip to 88 spring training camp. Oh boy, if we could go back in time and do that, that'd be awesome. Bo Diaz, Chris Spear, Dave Anderson, Franklin Stubbs, Chuck Carey, Joel Davis, Paul Assenmacher, and we round out with Juan Semiol. Not bad. Pair of all-stars, Donnie Baseball and Kirby Puckett, rest in peace. We'll take it. 87 Topps wax pack. And that gum is pretty much gone. It turned to powder and that was it.